Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change outline color shape in Photoshop. So get started. At first open on Photoshop document. Now you can see shape, outline, change color. Now you can see, then you show the shape in the outline. Now change the color. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now we click from stroke. Now select. Now you can see, then I show the new interface. Now click from color option. Now choose from color. Now choose from yellow color. Now click OK. Now you can see, then again. Now click OK. Then again going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now apply the same process. Now click for stroke option. Now click from color. Now choose from blue color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That's it. Now you can see change the outline color in shape in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.